Hello friends. Today we will talk about an English phrase. After you. That is used for role in polite gestures. For example. Situation, holding a door open. Person A, opens the door. Person B, thank you. Person A, after you. In this example, Person A uses the phrase after you as a polite gesture when holding the door open for Person B. By saying after you, Person A is indicating that they are giving Person B permission to enter or pass through the door first. It is a way of showing courtesy and respect, allowing the other person to go ahead before oneself. The phrase is commonly used in situations where one person wants to allow another person to go first as a sign of politeness. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, subscribe to my channel for future updates.